Those stunning brand visuals you're seeing online, the models posing perfectly, the product videos that look straight out of a studio, most of them aren't real anymore. Businesses are replacing photographers, editors, and models with AI. They're creating full campaigns, visuals, motion graphics, and product shots using nothing but prompts, and they're saving thousands of dollars doing it. Let's talk about how. For years, brands relied on big marketing budgets, creative agencies, photo shoots, models, editors, animators. Now, a single person with the right prompts can do what used to take a whole team. AI tools like Midjourney, Runway, Gemini, Pika Labs, and Krea.ai are changing everything.
You don't. Here's how you do it smart. Start with a concept. Use AI to bring it to life. Design the branding. Mock up the packaging. Create visuals that look ready to hit the shelves. No photo shoots, no samples, no warehouse. Just creativity and prompts. Then, put it out there. Build a vibe. Tell the story. Start posting like it already exists. See who's watching, who signs up, who clicks, who wants it. If no one bites, you've lost nothing. If they do, now you know it's worth making. Validate first, build second. It's not pretending, it's prototyping in public. Don't guess, don't gamble. Test the market before you spend a penny.
Small businesses are now generating professional-grade ads and visuals without hiring anyone, just typing what they imagine. This is what's called prompt-based marketing. Instead of planning expensive shoots, brands write creative prompts to generate visuals that sell. Most small businesses fail not because their product is bad, but because marketing drains their budget before they even make a profit. Businesses all over the world are now saving costs and replacing entire marketing teams with AI, and still growing faster than ever. From creating ad campaigns to writing content to designing logos, AI is doing it all, cheaper and faster. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it, and how you can too. Let's be real. Marketing is expensive. Hiring a social media manager costs around $3,000 a month. A content writer? Another $1,000. Graphic designer? Add $800 more. Before you know it, you're spending thousands every month just to stay visible online. But AI flipped that equation. You don't need to outsource everything anymore. You just need the right tools. For visuals, using Midjourney or Ideogram, they can create realistic models wearing their products. No photographers, no travel, no logistics. For motion and video ads, with Runway, Gen 2, or Pika Labs, businesses type prompts like a minimal product ad for a brand, creamy texture, macro shots, gentle lighting, slow motion. AI then generates full motion clips they can edit into ads. A typical product photo shoot might cost $500 to $2,000. Hiring a model, renting a studio, paying an editor, it adds up fast. Now, Midjourney will cost you around $10 per month. Runway, $12. Pika Labs, free tier or $10. And Synthesia, $30. For less than $70 a month, a business can generate hundreds of marketing visuals and update them anytime. That's why big brands are secretly testing AI campaigns behind the scenes. It's faster, cheaper, and still gets results. For context, let me show you what this looks like in action. A small skincare brand can use AI to generate a full product campaign. Smooth, glowing skin, luxury backdrops, all AI generated without hiring a single model. A sneaker brand can use Midjourney and Runway to create slow-motion product shots with moving backgrounds. Viewers will look at it and think it filmed in a studio. A coffee company can use Crea.ai to turn simple product photos into lifestyle scenes. Cozy cafes, morning light, steam rising from mugs. And the best part? These visuals perform just as well, sometimes better, on social media. Because audiences react to emotion and storytelling, not whether it's real or AI.
It's not just good, it's great. It's earthly coffee.
This looks like a luxury jewelry campaign, right? Wrong. It's AI.
The next phase is already here, AI influencers. Brands are using platforms like Deep Agency or AI Model Agency to create virtual models who never sleep, never complain, and can post daily in any outfit or location. One AI influencer named Aitana reportedly earns over $10,000 per month through brand partnerships. And she doesn't even exist. That's where marketing is headed. Soon, your favorite skincare ad or clothing post might be 100% AI generated, from the model to the motion to the background. This doesn't mean real creatives are irrelevant, it means anyone can become one. It's however in your best interest as a creative to learn and get skilled on artificial intelligence tools to be one step ahead or get left behind. AI is useless without a creative mind. Small businesses can now create studio quality ads with Runway. Build brand imagery with Crea.ai. Design visuals with Midjourney. Use HeyGen to make product explainers with virtual presenters. You don't need to know how to code or design, you just need the right prompts. AI doesn't replace creativity, it multiplies it. It turns your ideas into content at the speed of thought. If you want to start using AI to market your business, I've linked my favorite tools below, including free trials and affiliate links, so you can try them today. Don't wait until your competitors start doing it, because by then, it's too late. This is the future of marketing, and it's all powered by prompts. We break down business trends, suppliers, and tools you can use for your business every week. Hit subscribe and let's build smarter.